Yep, that'll be the leak, boys. Look, pump 1, nothing. Pump 2, my surge tank. Fucking pump's dead. Top of the morning, guys. How we doing? Coming at you live from my favorite car, Lil Zilla. We are currently headed to the shop right now. Finally, we're gonna be starting to do some little maintenance on this thing. I have a crank seal leak that we need to fix. I got my wastegate springs. I'm gonna throw the other springs back in there, see what happens on the spring, and then after that, hook up the boost controller again, turn it up, see what happens. I mean, I could drive it around and hit a little bit of boost as long as it's not running too lean. It's so nice to hear this car again, man. Finally, man, your boy got leg room. Took the damn cage out. I can put my seat back. I'm actually comfortable in the car now. It feels so nice. Alright, guys, so this guy right here, yeah, mine's all bad. Leaky boys. Ah, man, this AC ain't it, bruh. You know what sucks, man? We cut the lines hella deep, so if I do want to put AC back in this car, I have to remove the whole dash again, and I need a new heater core. I don't really bring this car out in the daytime anyways, unless I really have to, like, come to the shop or something like that. But as far as like personal enjoyment, like, I don't really be driving this shit like that. It's too damn hot to be out here trying to boost. Nighttime though, we good. So she's pretty much gonna be a vampire until winter time, because this ain't it. Yep, making a nice mess under here. Oil everywhere.
Settle back yet?
Oh yeah, man. This seal is done. Hold on. Yep, that'll be the leak, boys. So I'm gonna take these wastegates off when that should be cool enough. Put the springs back in there. I need to swap over the motor mounts because clearly the shit is sitting too low. I mean, I even scraped the turbo. All bad. But I can throw these in if we have time. That should raise the kit up. These motor mounts it has right now are just, I don't know, this is hella low.
2 hours later.
The almighty GTR and the almighty 380Z. Idle's sounding cool right now. Alright guys, so we have another spring in the wastegate, so it should be doing like around 21, 22 pounds. It's kind of hot right now, I don't really want to test it. It's pretty much just at the point right now, just see what the boost does, and hopefully we can just get it on the dyno soon and send it, see what happens.
4 to 6 days later.
Top of the top. Actually, well, wait. Top of the night? Whatever. What are we bringing out tonight? My favorites. The Z is currently boosting. Like, I can hit boost, I can drive it, I can do a pull. It's on wastegate right now. Tried to use the boost controller, but I think the boost controller took a shit because even like on one click, for some reason, the car is just like sputtering and it's just not hitting boost right. So as soon as I take it off, go straight to wastegate, everything's back to normal. So I ordered a new one. I guess just see what happens, turn it up, blow it up, and go from there. But I'm just happy that we can hit some kind of boost, man. Just that alone is a blessing. Still gotta fix this dumbass idle problem. Still pretty warm out. Should've wore some shorts. But yeah, man, we got a SoCal Bangers meet tonight. hopefully it's not a burn. Hopefully we can get there and at least be there for a bit. I think there's like a cruise after, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to that too. I just wanted to take the Z out, man. I haven't really drove this car. It's my favorite car runs, bro. I gotta drive it at least once a week. Oh my god, what the hell? It's rattling now. Oh, that's just annoying. What the fuck? Don't you hate when like some new shit just starts rattling in your car out of nowhere? I get irritated by the littlest things, guys. Should we hit a little bit of boost? She moving, but she definitely has more in her. Yeah, man, the car is driving beautiful. Like, it drives like stock. Everything is on point right now.
15 minutes later.
Bruh, I'm hot. Okay, well, first off, we got to the meetup spot and there is absolutely nobody here. Like, not one car. I don't know what's going on with that. So yeah, and then on the way, this fucking stinger literally was like, kept trying to bully me, bro. I'm like, I'm not like trying to entertain you right now, dog. Kept trying. I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm just about to gap this dude. Tell me why my fucking fuel pump died. Cause I have two pumps right here on the switches. Look, pump one, nothing. Pump two, my surge tank. Fucking pump's dead. Gone. So I did the pool. Car felt like absolute shit, bro. It was like, it felt like 350 wheel horsepower. So this guy had a close race with me, thinking his shit is hella fast now. Well, guys, I am trusting this one pump to get me home. So hopefully that motherfucker don't go out on me. I was gonna go meat hunting and try to find everybody, but nah, not on this one pump. I'm good. The fuel pump didn't let me down. We made it back home pretty much. Not fully, but we're there, almost. I'm so disappointed that I almost got gapped by a stinker. I know my boy hype right now. He's like, bro, I kept up with this Turbo Z. Like, nah, bro. My shit was handicapped as fuck. This shit was working when I got on the freeway. It was fine. That motherfucker just died randomly. Oh, bitch.
4 to 6 days later.
What is happening with you guys? We are hopping into this video from the Z. Sorry, it's a little dark. I'm about to turn it on. It's probably going to be continuing the video from the last one when my fuel pump had died when I drove down to that meet. Yesterday my boy came through, we swapped out the pumps. I just did both of them and the car feels a lot better on the new pumps. They are louder, but they're brand new, so I think the other ones were just dying. And they're old, man. I've had them in this car for about 5 years. So, and on top of that, they sat for like 2 years with 85 inside of them, so I knew they weren't gonna last too long. Start this loud ass thing up, wake up the neighbors after sleep. My bad. Yeah, see, it's a little bit louder. The pumps aren't too bad. I could tolerate it. Actually, when I first put them in this car, I remember them being about this loud. Nowhere near the Drift Z, bro. That one's just ridiculous. And that's only one pump, bro. That shit is crazy. They changed this shit out. I'll know right away if the boost controller is working or not. All I gotta do is just hit it in second. Like, even second gear was sputtering, so we'll find out. wastegates aren't opening. It's super weird. Like if I just go straight wastegate, the car is like flawless, no problem. But as soon as the boost controller is plugged in, it just like sputters. Alright guys, the new boost controller is on, so we're gonna try this again. Honestly, if it doesn't feel right and sputters again, I really don't know. Okay, well, good sign guys. I did a small pull and the gates did open. It seemed like it was boosting maybe 1 or 2 more pounds, so it should be working now. Oh shit. Oh, she is pulling. So confirmed, boost controller was my problem. That shit was just shot. If I blow this motherfucker up, I don't even care. We're gonna build the other engine and full send that shit.
15 minutes later.
Alright guys, so you will not believe what happened. No, I didn't blow it up. Some of you guys are probably wishing I did, but I didn't. Yeah, I was leaving to go get gas and this motherfucker just turned off on me. So in my head I'm like, well, it probably just ran out of gas. But then I try to start it again and there's like no crank at all. It just clicks. So I'm like, you know, obviously you check all the normals. Battery is good. Fuel pressure was good. I actually manually spun the crank just to make sure it didn't seize up or it wasn't flooded. Yeah, bro, nothing. Like it just literally died on me and it's just no crank, just click, just one click and that's it. So I'm not too sure what happened there. I don't know if it's some wiring that got messed up or maybe I blew a fuse. It just doesn't make any sense. I'm like, nah, even if there's no gas, like it should still crank. So I actually went and got gas. I put gas in it and nothing. It's just one click and that's it. The only thing that I can think of at this moment is the alternator without. So yeah, that was all bad, man. We were just getting to the good stuff. Like I was literally about to do some more clicks on the boost controller and see what happens, but yeah, it's just said nope, not today. So yeah, Joey's gonna come through tomorrow. We're gonna look at it and see what's going on with it. Luckily though, it like died like as I was leaving the complex, so I had to push this motherfucker all the way in here. That shit was all bad, but yeah, I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow.